And we're back! So we almost have a view of the falls. We're gonna keep walking. This is a pretty easy trail so far, as long as you can handle a lot of stairs and twisting your ankle, you know, on rocks, which is okay. If you're okay with that, then this trail's okay for you. We're gonna keep wandering. Rain is undetermined. We've been under the trees and now we're under a giant rock. It is really pretty. And just, hey, look, let's give, I don't know, let's give you a dental exam. Anyways, so we're having fun and we're gonna keep going. We'll talk to you soon. So this is considered Niagara of the South. If you have never been to Niagara, then yes, this is Niagara of the South. If you have been to Niagara, you go, what the hell are they talking about? So it's
pretty.
It is pretty. It is actually, Sam was saying, it is the only horseshoe falls in the United States.
Oh my God, you listened to me.
So that's why it's called Niagara of the South, not because it's underwhelming size.
There's also all kinds of caves around and stuff.
Okay, so there's caves underneath too. Woo! Alright guys, hope you're enjoying. We'll talk to you soon. Alright, so we're almost there and it is absolutely pouring. We're okay with getting wet, but I'm not okay with losing my camera. So, therefore this will end where you get to hike with us. And we're going to put it in her backpack, which has a rain jacket, which we did not bring, or anything else. I don't have a waterproof case for my Osmo Pocket, so it's going in my pocket or in her backpack. We'll talk to you soon. Keep wandering, keep following. We'll see you later. All right, so we are still in the rain, and you can probably make it out behind me. That is Eagle Falls. This last stretch over the beach was a little treacherous over rocks. If you're not in proper footwear, don't do it. Sam and I do wear our proper footwear, and she needs help now, so, oh, never mind, she jumped. So that's, it's over the beach, over the rocks. We're still in the rain. So this is it. This is Eagle Falls. It's actually a swimming hole, so you can swim in there. We're already wet. Don't feel the need to go swimming. Still kind of pretty. Alright, so I actually found a dry spot. As you can see, the falls are right behind me. I'm kind of up in a cave. Had to do a little bit of a Spider-Man to get here. It was kind of fun, and I realized I'm not 20 anymore. But it definitely was good activity. I actually went a little bit further than I'm sitting right now, and it is basically a straight drop down into something, so I decided I don't know what's down there, I'm not gonna go. So just figured I'd stay dry, enjoy the view, and hopefully when this rain passes, if it passes, we'll give it a little bit, Kim can set up her tripod and get some good pictures and post those for you. I know that's one of the reasons we come out and do this stuff, so she can take pictures and keep adventuring. And one of the reasons we do this together is for our adventure. So she's actually a little further down. She can't make it up here with her arm. Again, I did have to crawl a little bit of it, so she's staying down bottom. And we'll keep telling you what's going on, and hopefully the rain will pass. We'll talk to you soon.